What's up guys, you're watching the Street Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today we're going to talk about how to fix the SharePlay connection error on a PlayStation 4. And here we are at the screen, and go to the settings, go to the party, and you simply just start the party and start an open party. And here we go to this open party, SharePlay, other parties, party audio settings, party settings. And you just simply get back, SharePlay, tap on it and go to the test connection speed. Simply you just test the connection speed here, and here you have a low connection speed. I'm just going to show you how to fix the speed on your SharePlay connection. Simply go back to the settings and go to the network. Here we are at the network, and view PlayStation network services. Check first and go to the setup internet connection. Go to the manual. You must use a LAN cable, then the Wi-Fi, it will be good. And change the primary DNS and secondary DNS 8.8.8.8 and a secondary DNS 8.8.4.4. And after that, you just connect your connection again and it will be good. So that's how that simply you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.